So now my documents and drawings are in the system, and what we want to think about is how do we send them out of the system to the people we're working with. So if I go back to the records view, as you'll notice, it's remembering the filters that I've set up. So as you move between the different parts of Atvero, it will remember how you want it configured. And when you come back, that same filter view is applied. So let's choose a couple of drawings which I've approved. I can also issue out, if I want to, information that wasn't authored by me. So let's take these two. And now what I do is just press the Create a New Issue button. So issuing out is really important. We want to have a guaranteed sort of audit trail of information that's gone out. We want to make sure it's being sent out securely. So if I just say Atvero issue like that, I select a status for it. So let's go for work in progress. I can add some notes which are included on the transmittal sheet, and I'll show you what that looks like now. So here are notes. We can use different transmittal templates based on the sort of information we're sending out, but I'll stay with the default. And also we can add the people that we want to send the information to. So let's send it to demo user. There are lots and lots of ways of issuing information out from Atvero. One is to email it as an attached file. So if it's just one or two files that are small enough that you're not going to hit the sort of 15 meg, which is quite common limit these days, you can choose that method. And what's really quite nice is that because all of this is integrated with the Microsoft platform, when we send these emails out, they are sent as you. So it's not sent on your behalf. It's not sent from some no reply at organization.com type mailbox. It's actually coming out of your Outlook. So you'll go and find those emails in your sent items. But what we have built is email with Atvero checkpoint link. And this is going to take a copy of these files and put them into a secure external sharing portal. There's a whole bunch of features that we can do here. We can indicate when that access should expire. We can come back later and change that expiry time if we want. I can add some more email notes here. So this is going to add like a little covering letter inside of the email to the people I can send it to. And if we look down here, we can see now these are the documents that I selected. By default, it's going to select the latest revisions. That's normally what we want to do. And by default, it has selected the uneditable or the unchangeable versions of the document. So best practice really is to issue PDFs that can't be changed as you're issuing things out. If you want to, though, you can say, actually, I want to send the DWGs, and you can select them on, or you can select them off. And that's it. That's all we have to do to make a transmittal. And I press that button, and now that's going to kick off a job in the background, and that's going to create a job, take the files into a secure location, and then send links out as if they came from me to the people that I've made that transmittal to.